Original Batman.
So far the beats check.
Girl, Batman, they feel the way you whine to the rhythm and the bass. Move to the rhythm, make we groove, make we move to my play. You are got the rhythm and the vibe that I make a man crazy. Wine from the north to the south, you are set the house I play. Vibes on vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way.
Alright, that's it for today. That's all I can take today. I'm exhausted. I'll be back tomorrow to take this thing out. Maybe not tomorrow, Saturday. Saturday, I'll take this thing out and I will start assembling the pieces that go in here. I already ordered all 3 that go in here, and it should look really good and be done. Like I said, to stay within budget of pacing myself. Also, I'm learning to pace myself financially by not buying everything I want right now, right then. So yeah, we'll see how that works out.
You can balance it, check and balance it. No one bad man see, check and balance it. You put me on the low, you put me on the road. Bad man let them know, nobody have to know, nobody have to know. Interconnected style, Lagos to Joburg, them and them they feel your vibe. Interconnected style, Lagos to Joburg, them and them I go the mile. Girl, bad man they feel the way you whine to the rhythm and the bass. Move to the rhythm, make we groove, make we move to my play. You are got the rhythm and the vibe that I make a man crazy. Wine from the north to the south, you are set the house I play. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Them done they look in my face. Got a bad man going insane. Mona Lisa, tryna please her, fashionista, get the visa. Mona Lisa with her sister, tryna please her, be a mister. If you want a real one, then you got a real one. That's why you know say you a keep a bad man running. If you want a real one, then you got a real.
I'm taking a little lunch break because I am starving. Then I'll get to assembling the pieces to put in my closet. Doesn't that look so good? I'm starving.
That's why you know say you a keep a bad man coming. Nah, nah, nah. Girl, bad man they feel the way you whine to the rhythm and the bass. Move to the rhythm, make we groove, make we move to my play. You are got the rhythm and the vibe that I make a man crazy. Wine from the north to the south, you are set the house I play. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Original Batman.
Okay, you guys, they're done. Well, not done, obviously, but the biggest part of this project is done, which is assembling all 5 units. And as you can see, I ran out of wallpaper, but that's okay. I'm gonna order some more And I'm probably gonna have to do the rest of the installation of this wallpaper while it's already attached to the wall, which is fine because the wallpaper will take some time to get here. But anyway, I'm gonna attempt to move these without a dolly into my closet. If that's unsuccessful, I will have to go get a dolly tomorrow and then move them that way. So let's see what happens. All right, here's my attempt. Make sure the pathway's clear.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Way I put it down. Jagaban, them I call me number one. Understand, man, I put them on the run.